take a handful of whole cloves and drop them straight into your bottle of isopropyl alcohol. This instantly starts infusing natural pest-repelling power. If you are looking for an easy, affordable, completely natural, and toxin-free way to keep annoying bugs, flies, gnats, mosquitoes, spiders, and ants far away from your house, while making every single room smell like a luxury warm spice blend, this simple DIY spray is going to be a total game changer for your home cleaning routine. To get started with our home solution, grab a clear measuring cup and pour in exactly 150 milliliters of 70% isopropyl alcohol. The alcohol acts as the ultimate base for this recipe because it immediately breaks down, dissolves, and extracts the natural essential oils hidden deep inside our whole spices. On top of that, it acts as a quick-drying solvent and sanitizer, which means the spray evaporates super fast once you apply it, ensuring it won't leave behind any sticky, greasy, or wet residue on your counters, baseboards, trim, or tiled walls. Next, go ahead and add 250 milliliters of clean, room-temperature water right into the alcohol to dilute it down to the perfect, safe strength for home spraying. Give it a gentle stir so both liquids are completely blended together before we start bringing in our powerful aromatic spice ingredients. Now it's time for our key aromatic elements. Drop in 2 whole cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which is a powerful natural organic compound that crawling insects like ants, spiders, roaches, and silverfish completely hate. It naturally masks and disrupts their scent trails, preventing them from finding food and keeping them from coming anywhere near your entryways, walls, baseboards, or floor gaps. Next, toss in 1 or 2 whole star anise. Star anise gives off a rich, warm, herbal aroma that smells wonderful and inviting to us inside the home. But it acts as a strong, natural repellent against annoying flying insects like fruit flies, drain flies, gnats, and mosquitoes. Carefully pour the entire liquid mixture straight into your clear spray bottle, using a funnel if you need to. And make sure to drop all of those infused cloves, cinnamon sticks, and star anise right inside the main bottle as well. Leaving the raw, whole spices submerged directly in the liquid allows them to continuously steep over the coming days and weeks, which means your natural repellent spray will actually grow stronger, richer, and even more effective over time. Put the spray nozzle back on tightly, give the bottle a really good shake to wake up and blend all those active essential oils, and your custom bug repellent and home air freshener is officially ready for action. Spray it generously all along your baseboards, around front and back door frames, across windowsills, back behind kitchen appliances like the stove and refrigerator, under the kitchen sink, in dark pantry corners, and even lightly along the edges of your couch or soft living area furniture. It creates an invisible, long-lasting scent barrier that keeps unwanted pests far away while filling your entire home with a rich, warm, and deeply comforting spice fragrance that everyone will love.